In today's video, we will be doing Akaklo or kaklo, anyhow you will call it. Hello, it is a great honor to have you on the channel or page today. If today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes, and if you're interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is totally free. My name is Lena and welcome. So I have with me here my plantains. Okay, it was green and it became like this, and then like that, like this, and then like this. We are cooking outside, so if you see housefly, please pardon me. Okay, it is normal. So I'll go ahead and wash my plantains very well. You have to wash it very well, so that when you are peeling it, you may touch the plantain itself and you will not transfer anything bad to the plantain. Okay, so I gave it the third wash, and just look at that, so beautiful. Now go ahead and peel off the skin. Okay, it is very soft to the extent that you can even peel it without your knife. So this is what I was saying earlier. You have to wash it so that if you touch it, you will not transfer anything bad to the plantain. We are done peeling the plantains, and now I'll go ahead and grind my pepper and onions. Okay, grind it very well. If you want to use blender, oh my goodness, you can use it. Okay, but this is what I want, and it adds some flavor to the food. Okay, yes. Now I am done blending my pepper, onion, and ginger. Okay, now I'll go ahead and add the plantains to it, grind it bit by bit. I just don't want it very smooth, and it shouldn't be rough. Okay, so I decided to add this to my kaklo. The original one, they don't add it, but I just want to add it because sometimes the little girl will take only the kaklo and she may not add anything to it. When it happens like that, I know there is protein in there. Okay, so you can use any protein of your choice if you want to try this recipe. Okay, but the actual one, they don't add it. So now I've added my scallions, I've added my half cup of all-purpose flour. It wasn't enough, and I added extra half, making 1 cup to 17 plantains. Okay, now I'll give it a stir, and then taste for the salt. I added salt as well. Now I'll go ahead and fry it. If you add more flour, it is going to be hard. Okay, it is going to be very hard, so make sure you don't add a lot of flour. But if you want it hard, that is your food. Okay, so after I was done frying it, I went ahead to add about 4 tablespoons of the flour to the rest of the mixture, and when I fried that as well, it was perfect, but not very hard, and I really enjoyed this, and the family also fell in love with it. I think the next day we enjoyed the rest, and it was very delicious. So let me open it for you. This is the outcome, so perfect. Just look at that, beautiful, soft, and just like how I want my akaklo. Try this and you will love it. Kaklo is not supposed to be very hard, and with this, when it was there, then the following day it was still soft. So the one I added extra 4 tablespoons of flour. This is how it looks. You can see that is also very soft. I made this inside because the rain was disturbing me. Okay, yes, so I sent it inside to fry this as well, and this was perfect. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe or follow for more videos. I'll be very happy if you share the video for me. See you in the next one. My name is Lena. Bye.